Tiniyak ng Department of Transportation na handa na ang Ninoy Aquino International Airport para sa pagbubukas ng Manila-Paris direct flights. Ang detalye sa report ni Bernard Ferrer.
Inanunsyo ng Department of Transportation ang pagkakaroon ng direct flight mula Manila patungong Paris at vice versa sa pamamagitan ng Air France simula December 8. Naging posible ito dahil sa nakatakdang modernisasyon ng Ninoy Aquino International Airport sa ilalim ng administrasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
This is quite an important one. I think it's an announcement that will make Filipinos happy because they will be able to fly non-stop from the Philippines to Paris and from Paris to the Philippines.
The reopening of a direct route between the Philippines and Europe has been eagerly awaited, and I'm particularly proud and happy that it is with Air France and a direct connection Paris-Manila flight today.
Ito ang unang direct connection sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at Europa mula nang magkaroon ng COVID-19 pandemic. Inaasang mapapalakas ng nasabing direct flight ang turismo at kalakalan ng dalawang bansa. Magbubukas din ang tanggapan ng Air France sa Pilipinas. 3 araw kada linggo ang flight o mula Martes, Huwebes at Linggo kung saan 14 na oras ang itatagal ng biyahe. Sisimulang ibenta ang mga ticket online simula September 10. Gagamitin din ang mga new generation aircraft na ang layunin ay mabawasan ng CO2 emissions.
We are operating our A350-900, so the Airbus 350 series, which is also our new generation aircraft, so very environmental friendly. And actually in terms of CO2 emissions, it's 25% less than the prior aircrafts that we were using.
Tiniyak naman ng Transportation Department na nakahanda ang NAIA sa inaasang pagdami ng mga pasahero dahil sa Manila-Paris direct flight.
NAIA is very much prepared. NAIA will work closely with the officials of Air France KLM, their ground handlers, their caterers, so that Air France will have a smooth operations here in the country.
Siniguro rin ng French Embassy na magiging maayos ang visa issuance, pero pinapayuhan nila ang mga Pilipino na planuhin ng maayos ang biyahe papuntang France. Bernard Ferrer para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.